Welcome back to the channel, Trader Jan speaking. Today is Thursday, the 23rd of April 2026. It is 5 o'clock at 5:20 Chicago time in the morning, and European session is going on, and the Asia session has been done. I've been away from the market for the last 3 days, and let's see what happened. And this video is about the market analysis, the preparation of the upcoming trading day. So let us look in normal fashion towards the events actually which gonna happen today from a global market perspective. So here we are. We have the initial jobless claims, three-star event, and the PMI data. The one is at 7:30 in about 2 hours, and the other one is at 8:45. So those are the times where I'll be very reluctant in trading. I'll set my timer, and then if I'm in the trade, I'm gonna close that one before those times. I'm not making any anticipation in which direction it might go. I just leave my fingers out of the market because there's a higher volatility expected in all sides. Major liquidities are being pulled out, so small market orders can have a big impact on the price move. Then let's go back to the chart. And here we go first in our normal 15 minutes chart. We have the last trading session I had was on Friday, and that one spiked above the latest locations we had defined. Let's see how we adopt those locations. So in old fashion, so we are in an area which we had never touched before. So we normally just check out the extremes, like this one here, the extreme from yesterday. And then we have another one which is here, pretty much the extreme of the day of today. Because everybody has a focus on that one, we just mark it here. There's gonna be probably something happening. Now, to define the local, it looks like in the morning the market has quite some fun to spike down 1000 ticks, and then a kind of God knows what kind of tweet happened at that time again. I'll mark, I like this area because it has been touched here. It has been a rejection area here and here and here. So I'll be inclined to mark that area here. And then we have this area here, which is a bit of volume for the early day. This one is more of support and resistance, not daily extreme. Now let me check here that daily extreme here. How many ticks are there? 77. So I'll do that one here. This one actually is a daily extreme of the previous day of Wednesday, and this is from the day before, from Tuesday. This one here we had set before, and that's an interesting one. It was the top from Thursday, and then it got catched again on Tuesday. So here we find that we have quite a bit of here we have like support, 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 support. So that seems to me an interesting area, but it has a support and resistance. So here in between, it's kind of looks a bit weird here, but at the same time, a 500 ticks looks like a bit too much. But as we can see here, there has been area which was support, support, or resistance, resistance, support, support, support. So I'll mark that one here, roughly in the middle between here and here. Yep. So then like these areas here, I'll mark that low volume area here, which was support, support, and here resistance and resistance. I'm gonna mark that one. Then now coming to the recent day, that was a huge volume traded yesterday, where today it didn't overcome it. So I'll mark that area, especially this low volume area here. Once the market is inside here, as we see it is trading up and down, it is nearly 400 ticks, quite a bit. And then this one here, that seems to be, it was support and resistance here, and then the market took it as support here. Is it that one here? Yeah, okay, let's take that one. So as we can see, the market is currently has been in support here and is now struggling to go over that. So I'm gonna mark that one here, that high volume area here, and we're gonna see what we are up with. 200s. I'm inclined to prioritize this area here, which was here support and here resistance. And at the same time, I don't want to create too many locations. Okay, leave it for the moment. So be careful once it is inside here. So those are pretty much locations. It looks like that the market is. It's Friday, it has a lot of support in this area here. So here, if the market comes down here, it's going to be ranging. It was a lot of volume here, a lot of volume here, a lot of volume here. So I don't believe pretty much in a downward push because there was a lot of trading interest here. So once it's down here, I expect more of a range trading. Once it's in that area here, it's at the top of the markets. It's at the top of the so new extreme. This one is a new extreme, 27,137. So gonna be very careful in trading. Gonna check what the volumes are telling us, and then we gonna see further, I guess. Up. Let me check the market map here. The locations are pretty much aligned. That is in the middle. Okay. Okay, okay. So let's see what we're gonna come up with today. So coming back to today, the market is a little, it's kind of definitely rangy. It's kind of a D profile here. And yeah, before the numbers on it out, I wouldn't expect a lot of breakouts, but maybe we could prepare us for range trading like in this range here, where if it's even 300 ticks or even just in that range here, which is about 100 ticks, gonna definitely watch what happens here once the market tries to break out here. Let me mark that a little range here so we get a notification once it tries to break out. So that's about it. That's for today. The Thursday, the 23rd of April 2026. I wish everybody a very nice trading day and see you then. Maybe I'm gonna record some live trades. Let's see how that's gonna work out. Okay, see you then. Happy trading day. See you down at the trading floor.